My chair. I'm taking your chair. Gotta throw it away. It's junk. It's junk. Say no. Like my chair. Well, your chair's junk. We got new furniture now. Come on, we gotta throw this out.
She ain't moving.
Want to keep it one more night?
But this is mine.
Want to keep it one more night? Ask Mommy.
I don't care.
Want to keep it one more night? I gotta throw it out. You don't want this. We got new stuff. The new stuff stink. Does the new stuff stink? Go play with the new stuff. What? What? No, it's going away. It's going away. It's going away. Well, I'll go too. Don't get a sad look on your face.
She is so spoiled. Say bye-bye to your chair. Bye-bye.